大家好，我是凯丽。今天我们来讲为什么中国人不戴绿帽子。我们来看例子。琪琪，你跟你男朋友最近怎么样了？真奇怪，他已经1个月没回我消息了，怎么都联系不上他？他不会是给你戴绿帽子了吧？他外面有人了？啊，不会吧？A 给 B 戴绿帽子，A is cheating on B。现在你知道为什么中国人不戴绿帽子了吧？你也很少看到商店里有卖绿帽子，因为很少有人会买。中国人都知道绿帽子是什么意思。那如果你说你就喜欢绿帽子，可不可以在中国戴呢？当然可以，我们尊重你的选择。If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture. So please do subscribe my channel and follow me on other social media platforms as well. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. To see more Chinese learning videos, please go to my website. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. Thank you for your support. See you next time. 再见。